Raindrops sing on tender leaves. Nature gives more than it receives. From kitchen scraps to blooming rose, life returns and beauty shows. Patience blooms with every day. In shades of green I find my way. This is my little green world, where time slows down and stress is gone. Roots of love, fruits of care, my home garden beyond compare. Not just plants